Hi everyone, this is Jennifer and I'm back today with a new weekly challenge layout created for the Hip Kit Club design team featuring May 2022 kits. I started by choosing 3 papers with different patterns as stipulated in the recipe challenge. I chose Sweet Friendship and Life is Better With You pattern paper and Badik paper limesicle to have a combo of pastel blue pink. I made 2 strips of each pattern paper measuring approximately 0.8 inch in width. So I placed 3 strips at the top left of my page and the other 3 at the bottom right of my page. I also chose 2 black and white photos to match the recipe challenge. And for the black and white element of the recipe challenge, I chose the frames of the Besties Forever pattern paper that I cut out and place under the photos. All I have to do is assemble the straps together and glue the frames under the photo. I continue with the background of my page. So I choose watercolor paper and black ink to bring out the pattern paper strips on my page. I choose Distress Stains Black Soot ink that I apply with the help of a piece of acetate for more precision and not to make large areas. I check with the strips and the photos so as not to apply too much ink. It's always a bit tricky to make a background with black ink because it can quickly get too dark and loaded. So I'm very careful not to apply too much and only in a few areas. So for a little more fun, I decided to make a very pronounced splash effect. So with a straw, I blow on the surplus ink of my areas, which projects the ink on the outside and thus creates this desired effect. I add ink if necessary to the brush and I repeat the operation until I like the result. And I do the same steps with the top of my page. I really love the effect of this technique. It's very simple and fun to do and the result is just great, I think. So I finished this background with splashes of black inks and add the Love You pattern with Jane Hatfield's clear stamp set from the Live and Let Grow collection that I apply with black ink near the black areas. And with this, I checkbox one stamped element of the recipe challenge. So when everything is dry, I glue the pattern paper strips in their places and then I glue the photos after adding 3D foam underneath to bring volume. I add some pink flowers around the photos I cut out of the timeless pattern paper as well as blue floral die cuts. For the title, I use the words you and make, which are on the truly amazing pattern paper that I cut out. To finish this sentence, I use Pink Fresh Studios Puffy Alpha from the Life Right Now collection to create the word me and cut the word smile out of the All the Moments pattern paper. And with this, I tick the last box of this recipe challenge, which were 2 alpha fonts. I decided to replace the word smile with the word happy, which I made with a stamp from my reserve. And I finished this layout with splashes of black ink to harmonize everything. And here is the result a little closer. I hope this layout will inspire you in some way today. I really had fun making it. I love splashes made with a straw and I love the contrast between pastel colors and black. Thanks for stopping by and watching. I wish you a great creative day. See you soon.